Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Crypto Traders Arena. Daily crypto plan, Thursday, September 5. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual and let's see what we have. On higher time frame, not too many things changed from yesterday. Morning Hania, morning Stefan, morning Bucur, Shogun, Bova, Kos. Hey Catalin. So, Bitcoin on daily. Well, still below 60k. Yesterday we had an attempt, just a dead cat bounce here, and everyone was bullish again. Well, we'll go to the moon. Well, okay. And you can see we are still below 60 and we are pushing lower. I have the first target for a potential long is here. Yeah, that's 54 candle body lows. And okay, we can push lower, but let's take it level by level. Yeah. We are here to make money. We are day traders, swing traders, so we need every support and resistance to watch out and play some setups. So this is my target here. 54 is my thinking. Well, here we can get a bounce. If I'll see a W on lower time frame, I could try a long. For a short, well, it's a bit too late to short here. Either I'm scalping short, either I'm staying out. You can see this pattern here is slowly bleeding down, but I don't have a way to frame a setup on a daily chart on Bitcoin here to think short. Yeah, we have the short from higher, we have the hedge, we shorted 64, we shorted again 60 when we bounced above it. Now it's kind of late to do that. We had on lower time frame on 1 hour, we had an opportunity yesterday. I posted on general chat when everyone was bullish on Twitter. Yeah, everyone, well, we're going back up. Okay, I'll short. Actually, I didn't shorted Bitcoin, I shorted Ethereum. So Bitcoin, nothing changed from yesterday. Below 60k, next level 54. Then we have a support and resistance, you know, at 52. Pretty important level here. And we bounced from this level last time. But the big support, if something bad will happen, the big support is at fucking 45. Let's be sure about that. Yeah, 45 is the support. Here is just an intermediate one, a small one. So if something bad will happen, bad news or something else, 45 is the support where we should think, well, let's see what will happen here. We don't need to think lower, bigger levels on weekly time frame. For the moment, 54, 52 and 45, level by level. Morning guys, morning. So that's my thinking. 54, 52, 45, but in this order. Let's see, 54 if we'll hold, then 52, and then 45. 45 should be a strong one. We should, even if we'll be violent, we should stop on daily basis. We should stop here. We should close above 45. But who knows? At this point in time, looking at the market at 56, it's a clear range, ugly range, downtrend kind of, lower highs and lower lows, but this pattern here on daily is not so bearish as everyone is expecting. A lot of people are saying, well, we'll go all the way down at 31. Well, I don't know about that. We are in 2024 market on weekly basis. Let's put the weekly basis and close the drawings. Okay. We managed to close on weekly basis multiple times above the all-time high. You can see we have candle bodies close above. So if you look something like this, we have higher highs. We need a retracement and another W maybe to think long, but the trend is up here. If here in 2021 we had a high, a lower high, lower lows, and we had a downtrend, now we changed that, and even on the bigger picture we took the high. So any retracement here at 45, any W from now on, weekly W. It's a buying opportunity. Don't get too bearish at the end. The public will capitulate, will say, well, crypto is a scam, I'll go out. Don't be part of the public. That's why you are here. Yeah, we told you to buy here when everyone was saying, well, no, we'll go to below 10K, 8K, and so on. And we said, no. We'll dollar cost average Bitcoin here. I sold a bit early at 52, 30-40% from my stack with the intention to buy it back lower. I don't know if I'll have that opportunity. Hopefully I'll do. But don't be part of the public, please. If Bitcoin will hit 45, I'll go and buy not necessarily Bitcoin, but fucking altcoins, because I could get a double in a couple of days. Sorry about my rant. You can see P-cycle bottom where we said we discussed to dollar cost average on Bitcoin. Okay, let's go back on daily and let's see. Okay, so that in conclusion 54, 52, 45 if will be the case. Now let's see Ethereum on daily. You can see we have some support here. We can push lower in the big one in the long reload zone here. Yeah, it's possible. Until we'll see at least daily Ws. I don't see daily Ws. I see lower highs and lower lows. And if we take the low from 2022 and the high from 2024, well, we are not in the long reload zone yet. It's weaker than Bitcoin, that's for sure. That's why I prefer to short Ethereum now, not Bitcoin. I don't see a daily W, a weekly W. I don't see anything special. So that makes me think that slowly we can bleed in the long reload zone. $2,000, if you look left, will offer a strong support. If we'll accept below, then okay, everyone will capitulate about Ethereum. Ethereum is the worst thing ever. I don't want to hear about Ethereum. If Ethereum will close below $2,000. And the funny part is that that's a buying opportunity. If you'll see Ethereum below $2,000, that's a buying opportunity. Okay. So here, if the Ethereum will reach this area, I don't know, below 2,000, 1,500, everyone and their mother will say, well, Vitalik, it's the stupidest guy ever. I'll quit. I don't want to hear about Ethereum. And we'll probably make a nice W, another W, and then we'll recover and we'll push higher. And at the top, they'll say Vitalik is the best one. And they'll post the other picture with that little girl, if you remember. Okay, so for the moment, level by level, 2,500 here, it's a support and resistance. Let's see what will happen. So level by level thinking 2,500, and then we have some intermediate ones here at 2,200, and then 2,000 will be the big one. We are below 2,500, so I'm thinking lower. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. Well, on daily basis, exactly like we said about Bitcoin. Well, we closed above this level. That's bullish. A lot of people say, well, I want altcoin season. I also want altcoin season. I also want to get some fills on my short levels. I want to get some free coins. But looking at this one, we closed above 57. We made a W. We break out. We retested. And I don't know. If we aim out, I'll change my opinion. But for the moment, this one looks damn strong. It's what I see here in the chart. Yeah, we can make a double top, triple top. We can aim out. We can think, well, it's a range and usually we get a fake out. But we already had the fake out. We broke down and after that we made a W exactly in the support and resistance level, which is again bullish. We'll see. For the moment, this one looks damn strong. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, on the other hand, it's weak. You can see we are on daily and weekly chart. We are in the long reload zone. Good location, but nothing more than that. Megaphone still valid. Ugly megaphone. That's why a lot of traders will tell you that megaphones are ugly to trade. Well, it's expanding volatility. and it's V tops and V bottoms, which is damn hard to trade, but it's what we have here. In this long reload zone, on daily, weekly basis, we'll see at some point in time a W. If you'll see a weekly W, then that's the sign that maybe we'll reverse. For the moment, we don't have a weekly W, we don't have not even a daily W there. Yeah, Ken, we have some news. I'll get to the news in 1 second. So that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily. DXY, not too many things to say. It's just we bounced from 100 big fat round number, not the strongest bounce, and we are retesting again. Idea is we are above 100 level. Yeah, so I'm still okay with the thinking range. Total market cap, not too many things changed. We are in the same kind of where the ink is gone. I don't see my ink here. Anyway, yeah, you can see the downtrend channel. Total 2, nothing special. Total 3, similar. ES on daily, you can see what I see here. Yeah, we had a dump in August. We bounced back up. We made a double top and we rejected. So one day on daily chart, we can think pump chaser and long reload zone here. Huh? So let's do that. First of all, pump chaser, which is a lot lower, so we can test this level. Look left, we have some support at 38.2 here. And if not, then we can think long reload zone. And if I'll put long reload zone and I'll look left, what do you see here? Here we have some support and resistance. Here we have some confluences. So if we'll touch 61.8 or we'll come back in this area, keep in mind this is a daily chart. So on intraday we can wait for a long setup here. For the moment, okay, 2 days ago we had a damn ugly candle that told us something. Maybe it's a coincidence, but remember, this was the day when the big boys come back from their vacation. Yeah? And they told us something. Okay, so that's ES. Intraday on ES, I don't think is the case here. I'm not trading ES, I'm just looking for confluence. So Stefan is trading from time to time. We have some VIPs, some gladiators trading traditional market. I'm not one of them. Okay, now I think it's not a bad idea to look at news, and then we can go and see, maybe we can frame some setups on lower time frame. So calendar, you can see here PMI. 1 hour after we start the live stream, in the middle of the live stream, we'll have PMI. It's high impact. You can see we have smaller ones. Initial jobless claims is not small. I don't know why it's with second impact. Anyway, so we have news. That's the conclusion. We have news in the New York session, which should move the market. But if we are scalpers or day traders, we should be extra careful. Huh? Because if you are scalping on 1, 3, 5 minute chart and you have a damn big position and the news are bad, or I don't know, something is different, the slippage could destroy your account. One trade and you're gone. So it's better to stay out. Okay, let's see what we have on lower time frame. I posted this chart yesterday here. I posted on general chat. Pretty simple, yeah. Swing high, swing low, bounce back in the short reload zone. SFU level here was a damn good shorting opportunity. I didn't explain anything. I just posted the chart. If you are here from at least 1 fucking month, you should know what I'm seeing on the chart, because I'm here day in, day out in the live streams explaining you what I'm seeing in the market. So everyone should know what a short reload zone looks like and what I'm expecting here. well, we rejected, we retested that area. If you go on, I don't know, 5-minute chart, and your time zone is not like mine, here I was sleeping like a baby. But if you have a different time zone, well, this was the best shorting opportunity here. Huh? So we rejected in 1 hour, and there it's a damn good scalp. Important level, go on 5-minute chart, yeah, and play the shark. You take this level and you say, well, if the market will bounce back up, I'll take the shark because it's a damn good day trade. Huh? And look at the shark. Market bounced back, took 78.6, and then slowly breaking down. And your risk to reward is damn good here. Anyway, let's go back on 1 hour. So we posted this one here. I don't know. Some old traders probably took this one. Now, what we have now on the chart? Well, we have some support here. We have a W. Yeah, you can see here. We made a W and we broke to the upside. We never retested this one. This is the retest of the W. If it's still bullish, we'll form a W here and we'll push higher without taking the lows. If it's not bullish, we'll slowly bleed and take this liquidity here and maybe lower and then 61.8 and then lower. Yeah, so let's see what will happen here. Usually I'm thinking long in a thing like that. Why? Because I have a long reload zone here. So this is a swing high, this is a swing low. Okay? Took this one. Let's put a long reload zone. There you go. We bounced from 61.8. Initial bounce. Well, if I'll see a W here, I'm forced by my plan to take the fucking trade. What I'll take here, if we'll be in the London session, well, I'll take 78.6 for a long. But it's a day trade. It's a day trade. Let's not say it is scalp, but yeah, something like this. Yeah? I'm not playing the mountain man. We already bounced from mountain man. If the market will push back down, we'll get almost for sure here to take the liquidity here at 78.6, and that will be my trade. Yeah, but keep in mind we are in a downtrend here. Yeah, so I'm fading the trend here. Lower highs, lower lows, low risk. Don't play around. If you don't want to play along and you want to play only short ideas, well, wait here, wait for a new EM. Or if you want, you can take this EM, for example. You can see EM breaking down, never retested this level. So this could be a good level to think, well, I'm bearish, I want to take the next short. Well, this is your EM. Wait for a bounce, retest of this level, work with a limit order and hunt a 3 to 1. That will retest here. If you want to trail, you can trail lower. Everything is clear, guys? I know it's 1 hour, I know it's lower time frame, but so for a long idea, I'll wait for a shark. It's what I do with my own money. I'm not a financial advisor. For a short, the first one you can take, it's a bounce here. Let's put it in the market. Okay. So something like this. 61.8 here. Maybe. Let's take this one. It's more than 2 to 1, so it's okay. Of course, this is the first attempt if you want to be aggressively short. But we can go back up and take the highs, take the liquidity here. There are a lot of things that could happen. That's why we have stop losses. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Let's not focus too much. Let's see what we have on Ethereum. Well, as you can guess, I took the short here. Someone in the chat can tell me why I took the trade here? What I had here so special that I took the trade there? Well, we need to see what I have here, and then we need to zoom in. Well, this is swing high, swing low, short reload zone, SFU level here. That was a nice one, and breakout and reclaiming back below the level. That was the idea. 5-minute chart. Yeah. coming here. So overall, nice location for a short. I know that Ethereum is weaker than Bitcoin, so that will give me more chances to work my short on Ethereum than on Bitcoin. SFU level, we claimed above, and I waited for the market to close back below this SFU level. Yeah? And when we accepted here, I took my window of risk, which is high entry here, and open the take profit. I don't have a clear take profit. And look at the result. We stopped a little bit here. It's normal to do that. Look left and you'll see the support. The market fight it here. If the market is still bearish, we'll push lower, and this could give me a really nice risk to reward. So I prefer the Ethereum than Bitcoin because it was a better looking chart for a short. Pretty simple trade. Huh? Okay, and you had multiple opportunities here to short, not only this one. You had a retest here, you had a lot of yams here, even if you put the Holy Grail, I don't know, let's see. Well, not on 5-minute chart, no, was bullish. So, that was my Ethereum trade. I explained it a little bit. Guys, keep in mind, I'm not showing the trade to brag, to tell you, well, look at me, what I did. It's far away from the reality. Yeah, I'm a trader, I'm a day trader. I take 5, 6, maybe even more trades in a day. When I see something which respects really nice the levels, I'm showing you to see, to explain you how you should trade, ideally, how you should behave in the market. So, this was a nice example. Now, on the rest of the altcoins, I think 4-hour chart is the best. I scanned the market a little bit earlier and I didn't saw anything special. You can see IEVO. Oh, okay, nice location, but no W on 4-hour chart. I know, Anya, it's not about bragging. It's not about bragging because this market and the trading job will make you humble in the next second. Yeah, you are as good as your last trade. And as you know, Hania, I have a 55-60% win rate. So 40% of my trades will go belly up. Well, go and brag about that one. Yeah, or be proud of you when you have I don't know, 4 or 5 stop losses in a row. It happens. So this market has a way to keep you humble if you want to be profitable. Okay, so I have here, well, let's look at indicators. We have something on indicators. You can see some bullish divergence, but give me my fucking W. I had an attempt, we failed on the lower time frame on 1 hour, and I don't want to chop my capital here. I want a clear W. Clear W, breakout and retest, and I'll take the trade. Until then, no. Alt, similar, you can see we have this low, we retested this one. I don't see that. I don't see the trade here. Similar, bullish divergence everywhere. I love to see the bullish divergence, but give me a clear W. Well, CRV, it's okay-ish. We trade this one on, we can say 4-hour chart, but it's mostly higher time frame, daily. And we took 61.8. For me was a good one, and you can see we bounced okay-ish from 61.8. I posted this one on spot. I posted on swing trading. It's up to you. Now it's too late to take it. We'll come back down here, possible, but idea is to don't hit my stop loss. If we'll come back at the entry and then we'll W and we'll push higher, I'm okay. Dimension, similar. Okay, we can form here inverse head and shoulder. I'm okay with that. I see the bullish divergence, similar, but I don't have a W. E-gold, similar. I don't have not even a location for the moment. We need lower in the long relow zone. Ethereum, we discuss it, and you can see we are waiting in the long relow zone if it will be the case. FET is holding this level for the moment. I'm not touching it here. I want lower. I have a bag, but I want below $1. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Similar here, no W on 4-hour chart. Here the same. Here the same. Same. Solana, weaker than expected, but if I'll see a nice W, okay, I could think about a long. For the moment, no. Ton is reaching the long reload zone. I don't think it's a good idea to touch this one. Keep in mind the news. We are short from this area, so we should be in deep profit. Let's wait and find out how low this one could go. If you still have that short, keep it, because we can slowly bleed. Like I said, 4.5 was the first level. Look at the house levels. And then we have long reloads on here. $4, big fat round number, some support. And then the next one is at $3. If the bad news will continue, we can go even to $2. So keep that short. It's a good short. Let's just call it that way. Long, not yet. Tron, well, let's just say that Tron is ugly. We attempted a long, we failed. Let's just leave it alone. We have some support here, but until here, I don't want to touch it. Doji, I'm not trading this one. I have a bag from 50 cents, and I want to see what happens here. I told everyone buy Doji here, W's, nice W's. It's easy to get a double. Some people did, some people didn't. Some people said, well, I don't have a Gate.io account, but you can go straight on Doji market and take that trade. I don't know if you know, but Doji market. It's a simple one, so simple that people will have problems how to navigate here. Pretty simple. And you can see we have some NFTs, Doginals. They are a bit different than NFTs, if you know what I mean. And you can see DRC20, Doji. There are a lot of even meme coins here. Not too much activity, but this was the strongest one. And you can see the market cap is 23 million. 21 million coins in total in a big ecosystem like Doge. Looks really nice. Nice potential for a lot of X's. You can get from 50 cents, you can get even 100x. Pretty simple. So if enough hype will be created on Doji could get a really nice pump. Because on Doge, the supply is, let's say it, unlimited. On Doji, 21 million. So if the hype will be there, then we can play some. And you can go Doji market, make an account here, open a wallet, copy your recovery words, then put some from Binance or other account, put some Doge here, and with Doge you can buy everything you want. Don't be too greedy in buying all the motherfuckers here, because we don't know what will happen. But if you want some exposure, that's the easiest way to do it, for me at least. Okay, so that's my overview here. Not too many things new about altcoins. We are waiting on 4-hour chart, and it's normal to do that. We are waiting for a nice W. So we had the bounce, we had the retracement back in the long reload zone, and on most of the altcoins we have location and bullish divergence. So we need another reason, the last one. Show me some W's. Simple. Until then, let's wait. Okay. I don't see any requests. Maybe I missed something. Let's see. Let's read the chat. I don't see. Someone said something about ENA. Catalina, I talked about ENA, I think yesterday, but well, why not? ENA on Binance. Like I said, if you want to dollar cost average in the proper way, then okay. If you don't know how to dollar cost average, we can show you. Well, dollar cost average you do with the same amount of money, not with the same number of coins. But first of all, you need a plan for every dollar cost average. Why? You need to decide how much money you want to invest in total in a coin. Let's say I want $500. Okay. Looking at the chart, it's forming a bottom, it's not forming a bottom. Well, we are close. Let's assume that the bottom will form in the next 5 months. Every month you take $100 on a specific date without looking what's happening in the chart, and you just go and buy. After 5 months, you'll probably get the bottom, almost. And then you wait according to your plan. Because when you start buying in dollar cost average, you should have a fucking plan when to sell. When you start buying, you should have the exit plan already. I don't see a bottom here. It's pushing lower and lower. And this one could bleed. It's 20 cents. And you'll say, well, it's damn cheap. I'll go sell my car and I'll buy some ENA. Okay. And ENA will come back down from 20 cents to 2 cents. Huh? It's possible. I saw it happen in the crypto multiple times. Often even. So then you invested 10K and you'll have 1K. 90% off. Well, if we go to 2 cents, it'll say, well, now it's time to buy and I'll sell the other car. Okay, you buy another 10K and from 2 cents will go to 0.2 cents. And again, you can have the same problem. That's why you have to decide from the start how much money you want to invest, if it's below 5% from your entire portfolio, and how you'll approach the market. Now, Catalin, if you want to learn how to invest properly, if you want to invest to learn how to swing trade even, we still have the Capua 1 open. Now, this week, maybe next week, we still have the registration open. We're in the first week, learning the basics. We're just the introduction week. So for everyone, if you want Capua 1, DM me and we still have free places. The price is the same for the moment, nothing changed. By the way, if we have good traders, acceptable traders, they are break-even traders, and they want to sharpen their tools to become day traders or to become better, Capua 2 will start. We just need one more and we can start that program. So feel free to DM Stefan for Capua 2. Okay guys, I blabbed away for half an hour. Nothing changed on higher time frame from yesterday until today, just the fucking sentiment of the influencers. Here in this fucking bounce, the market is not going straight down. In this bounce, everyone, well, go back up. We are the strongest. Not quite. We need W's, at least on daily chart, to think reversal here, guys. We don't have W's here. Look at, this was a W, and took almost 1 week to form. Then up. Here we had a W, and we push higher. W, breakout, retest, and up. Now I don't see W's. You see any W's? So why the fuck I should think long? I don't get it. Okay guys, it's more than enough for me. I'll just go on VIP and trade with Stefan and VIP guys. By the way, the last day of registration for VIP. If you want to test VIP or to become a VIP guy, just go on DM Stefan. For some people it's kind of expensive. I don't know, it's not expensive at all, but if it's expensive for you, stay on premium. Don't join the VIP. If your portfolio is below 5K, don't join VIP. But if you have some money and you want to become easier to trade, well, VIP is a place for you. Okay guys, blabbed away too much. See you in the New York session if you are a premium member, or tomorrow the same live stream. Bye bye.